Hey guys, we received this Asago magnetic tiles like the frozen design for test and try. So let's just open this. This comes in a really nice gift box, as you can see it here. And then you can just open. I have a colorful and vibrant design. This polar or the frozen set, like a polar bear, where you can play with the legs is moving, and then it's a magnetic on the feet. So this a nice like the polar bear design. So see, like the other whale and stuff. So you can see like there are the moving things and a penguin. This is a very like cute penguin. They have this round corners. So round corners, safe and things, and then you have this magnetic tiles, really nice, vibrant diamond cut design. So let me just take out everything, and the magnet is also very strong. So there are the different pieces and say like this cube or this triangles. So these triangles are like 2.76 inches, the cubes are like 5.91 inches, and so you can just join together and make really nice things, and you can create different frozen style designs or the things using your seal, polar bear, penguin, whale, and etc. So you can see like joining them is a pretty straightforward, and then it's a really nice magnetic set because of the quality. Let me just take out everything and show it to you. So this rectangle is like 2.95 inches, and with this E-shaped is 2.95 inches as well. And you can of course use this. Is a pretty nice design to create. Let me just create some of those hidden trial designs and see how this thing will work. So there are the two big triangles around like 2.95 inches in width and 2.95 inches in height. The good thing is like the magnetics are not like breakable one, and then really nice quality material, and then it looks really vibrant and fun. So let's just create like some of those things like just to have some thing here. So like you can create all the different scenes like a track, like splash thing like ice or a stage or a home or a igloo, like whatever like you want to make, you can create with these magnets, and these are the strong magnets, so it's holding really well. And then you can just put in your all these toys and this stuff here. So it's good for the kids to play and learn things or have this coordination stuff. And then yep, see like a small home, and then you can just put in your beer and stuff. So nice design, a fun way for learning, and a great magnetic set tiles for the polar and the frozen design.